One of the things we offer to our StreamLine Marketing Pro clients is office hours. And this can be time with either me or Jenny, and we can go over different things within our system, help you work on different projects, or we can talk business. We can talk about marketing, business planning, contracts, that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you how to schedule those office hours with us within the StreamLine Marketing Pro system. So we're going to go ahead and start on the dashboard page and look at the menu on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Office Hours Member. This is going to bring you up to the schedule office hours page. If you scroll down, you'll see a list of the topics that Jenny and I can cover. So, based on what you want to talk about, you can schedule with each of us or one of us separately based on the topic you want to cover. And then, if you scroll down, we each have our own calendar and we each have times and days that work for us. You can select one of those days and it'll pop up some times. So generally the meetings will be about 30 minutes. Maybe they'll go over a little bit if we don't have a back-to-back appointment, but plan for about 30 minutes of our time that we can go over, like I said, different projects, or if you want to learn something within the SLMP system, or if you want to talk business, that's what we're here for. We want to be able to stay available for our clients so we can help you maneuver the system very easily and learn how to utilize it for your specific business. So let me know if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and we will see you at office hours.